Okay, so you guys, I'm finally going to unbox my May monthly Mini Friends by Oso Paper subscription box. And you guys, it's all about summer in the city. Welcome, my Tea Party Squad. So again, I am going to be unboxing my May 2021 monthly subscription box by Oso Paper. And so if you are new here, hello and welcome. If you're not familiar with Oso Paper is a functional, character-based lifestyle and stationery brand that I absolutely love and I use in my planners. And so every month I like to share what new things that they have in their shop. So for this month of May, again, is all about summer in the city, and I'm going to show you all the good things that are in the inside. First of all, this has to be the mystery kit because I saw nothing of the sort. It says, get out of your own way. It looks like it could be like a little cover, but we're going to see. So hopefully some goodies are in the inside as well. But I'm loving this. Oh, yes, goodies are in the inside. So oh, you guys, I just love this. I love the Menonista dolls. And we get a pin, you guys. This is so cute. This is new as well. I love it. You have your little jewels in there with different colors. Oh, and then it says, right there, it says Oso Paper. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. But it's really cute. Definitely will be adding that to my collection. All right, and so what we get in the inside, definitely going to get the sticker of the month, but I'm going to go through all of the items. But this just reminds me of me and my girlfriends getting ready to travel when it is pretty much safe to do so. But here is the magnet that also is part of the subscription box, and I actually collect those. Quote sticker says, I dream of summers that last forever. Really cute. Love the quote sticker there. Then we get this cute little postcard. Absolutely cute. I love this. The Beverly Hills. And then on the back also just kind of tells you what the contents are in the inside, but definitely could be used for all sorts of things. All right, so we're going to talk about this folio in a minute, but we're going to continue on. See what else we have. Oh, so a scratch. Okay, so Oso Paper is known for their little pink envelopes. And so instead of doing that pink envelope, I love how she adds how you can actually win a gift card, which is something fun that I like that she does. You take a selfie with your pink envelope and you submit it to Facebook group or to Instagram, and then you're selected. So I thought that was really cute. Next up is the Summer in the City 10-page sticker book, which I'm really excited about. But before we get to the sticker book, let's talk about this folio. This is the mystery item. I think it's so cute. Oh my goodness. Then it has a pin loop here like that. And so it's already ready to go. You have a pocket here, another pocket here, and a secretarial pocket on the side, which is awesome. Now I'm trying to think if I have a planner that will fit in here, but I will check that out later. So let's get on to the matter at hand. Let you guys check out some new Menonista dolls in this 10-page sticker book, and let you guys check this out. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. So here we have Miss Tamika and Fiona. Really cute. Then we have Gigi and Cynthia. They're so cute. Yes, hello vacation. Then we have Janelle, and then the everyday girl, Faye. Yes, love that. And then we get some little decorative stickers here, or icon stickers on the side as well. But I'm loving the everyday dolls. Here we have some decorative boxes that also just match the theme, summer in the city, because you guys, if you don't know, I love California. I love just everything about it, the atmosphere, the vibes that I get when I'm there. So I'm really excited for all of this month's theme. Really cute, all about traveling and that. And so this one is clear stickers, but you get meal plan, note to self, payday, bills due, and then some little quote stickers on the right, which is cute. And then we get some more dolls, and then the highlights of the little trolleys from downtown San Francisco, that sort of thing. Really cute. And then we get some more functional stickers, and we get some Zoe's up there at the top, And then we get all the Mini-Nista friends at the bottom that says good friends with that silver foil on there. And then we get some boxes here. Yep, and I think that's it. Yep, that is it for the Summer in the City 10-page sticker book that has 220 stickers in here. If you've seen my last unboxing from last month, you'll see the difference in that. But I'm loving the pen. I will also put a link to the videos from the previous boxes so you can see the different things that come in there. But I love this. I'm loving everything about this month's monthly subscription kit and all of that. So we get the folio, we got a 10-page sticker book, we got a quote sticker, also got a little post-it card, as well as the monthly sticker, and we also get the magnet as well. I collect them all. And as of today, I have about 13 of those collectible magnets from Oso Paper. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, hello and welcome. But you guys, don't leave just yet, because I am going to show you how to remove that beautiful sticker on your Oso Paper subscription box. So if you want to see that, then stick around. All right, so there are a few things that you will need to remove your sticker. You will need Reynolds Cut Right wax paper, has to be wax, a paper towel, and undo adhesive remover. You can get this from Hobby Lobby or Michael's. What you will do, you will squeeze several drops of undo onto the attach tool, which is this black little spatula, and you will immediately begin removing the self-sticking adhesive sticker, tape, whatever you're using, and making sure that you're getting the undo underneath the sticker so that it can lift and pull easily. You will need to do this just a few more times and just get some of that enough where you can be able to remove it safely, and it doesn't take very long, and then it will still be able to stick to, once it's dry, it will still be able to stick to anything that you place down on there, and easy peasy. Next thing I'm going to do is take my Cut Right wax paper and apply my sticker, and that way it is preserving it for when I want to use it. And then I just kind of wipe off any excess undo that's there, but it still is adhesive and I can use it whenever possible. So I hope you find this little tool and tip very helpful so that you can savor your Mini-Nista stickers from Oso Paper. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.